Hello everybody, my name is Mario Rago, and today I'm going to show you another accessory we have for our modular factory storage rails. And this little bracket is designed to hold a Yakima tube. This tube you can purchase from Yakima. It's an 1.25 inch piece of aluminum tubing with a rubber coating, and this tube will allow you to mount any Yakima product on our modular factory roof supports. And I'm also going to show you how to install it. As you can see, here's a little demo of what it looks like with it installed. And you simply get the hardware that comes with the kit. It'll come with 3/8 bolts. As you can see, we have our awning here. I'm going to mount this on this side, even though we have an accessory here. Now, if you notice, I haven't taken this out. I'm doing that on purpose because when I'm done installing this, I'm going to slide this longer piece of tubing through both of them. It'll just be harder for me to start threading it on from the other side. Go ahead and tighten those up. Okay, so I have our awning on, and I'm going to put my Yakima tubing on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on the other side and slide this in like so. Lift it up, put it through the tube, slide it to the other side, simply put it to the desired length. Get your 11 millimeter. I used a 14 millimeter wrench on the 3/8 bolts, and then you simply tighten this up, both of them up. As you can see, this is long on that side. When you get this from Yakima, if you don't have them ready, what you want, they come in a standard length, and you just cut off the desired length. So this can hang off on the other edge. You can even it out. This piece was off of that. What I'll do is I'll go back to the shop and I'll cut it out to equal the same length because I want it to be even. And that's pretty much the install on this. This is the only one we have, but you'd want to put another one back here. These come with 4, so you can have one in the front, one in the back. Yakima has clamps that go on here that you can mount bike racks to, kayak racks. You could put those cocoon fiberglass storage containers on here, or whatever you want. When you want to take it off, or you need to park in the garage, or whatever the case may be, you can just leave these on, take the tubing off. The system's very modular. We had our high lift jack mount on here. We'll probably move this back one section and put our high lift jack mount and just leave this on for display purposes at the show. So that concludes the install. All this is available at ragofabrication.com. And if you have any questions, feel free to call us or email us at info@ragofabrication.com. Thank you.